Hello guys, my name is Zaheer Ahmad and welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you about Python simple calendar program. So let's start our video without wasting our time. First of all, open Python file and import calendar module from Python libraries. Now take a variable that is year. This variable will ask you about a year. Now take another variable that is month. This variable will ask you about a month. Now take another variable that is calendar. This variable will call the calendar module. Put these two variables in the month function parenthesis and then print calendar. When the program executes, it will ask you about year and month. After entering the value, it will show you that year and month. So this is our simple calendar program. For any question, type in comment box.